got a picture of him.
Hey guys, so I want the Nerf Rival Apollo XV700 Team Blue. If any of you have that, you guys could send it to my channel. Or
Hey, Yoli, come here, I'll show you a picture.
hold on, guys.
My phone's not the greatest for pictures, but I can show you. Just go the other way.
You might want to start with Donnie, Hewley. Hewley, you might want to start with Donnie. Do you have
Okay,
your
when we
iPad?
hunt and fish, we went to Lake Erie. Them are walleyes. This is our cousin. Okay. Yeah, Ohio. He's our cousin Ted. Ted. Okay, now that's my wife being funny. Okay, this is my wife Carolyn, and this is a little girl that came to stay, and she would just hold on to my wife's leg like a. Okay, so now I got to find pictures. Okay, there's snow. There's on the side of my house. I'm looking north. But that's a wrought iron fence that goes all the way around our property. Hold on, Lily. I got more pictures.
I want to see that picture, Mommy.
That's right, Carl was asking me what it looks like back
See the
there.
snow? Okay.
Well, it looks like small towns, like
Okay.
main
I'll
streets
get a
and.
picture.
Omaha and Lincoln are the two big towns.
Okay.
Grand Island's around
For
50,000.
Yeah, we went to
Okay,
Grand Island.
there is my
North
boy,
Platte,
and then we're
North
Canadian
Platte.
geese.
And
Penn
What
Town.
you need?
Oh, good. What's those big like bees?
Them are big geese. That's my son. We shot a bunch.
Do they migrate?
You guys have
Yeah.
to eat the cake too.
Okay, there's a picture
Okay,
of my
has
son.
other
And that was the day,
slices.
the limit. There was other
We
guys.
shot them all.
We shot them all.
Oh, I thought they were standing around.
No.
No, that's the whole.
And this
there
is
you
called a
go,
lay
Carl.
down blind. You just lay
Carl.
down in this blind. And we,
That's the whole town right there.
Oh, yeah, you had a
okay.
panoramic view of,
okay,
But he's
there's
got a
all the
little
guys.
map that shows all the streets.
See, and it's
how-
cold. We're
how
all
big
dressed.
it is.
There's ice on this pond.
what did you do, Jack? What,
Just typed in Berlin, Nebraska.
oh, on Google Maps?
Well, there was
And is
another
there a
one.
picture of it?
The town grid.
It's like a map
See.
of all the streets.
There you go.
So the main square was supposed to be
Okay,
a
now-
park, but they got greedy.
You
Fine.
got a town
I
square?
just run
Yeah,
out of my car
But
for a
it was
second.
never developed correctly. Now where
There I caught fish.
Dad retired, they did do it right. They built the courthouse and the
That's my
town
wife.
square.
We met her.
But ours, they got greedy.
She's a 49ers fan.
That's
That's a
only
beaver.
1,200 people?
It used to be 1280 when I was a kid.
Yeah, there's
I
his
think
tail.
1380.
We trapped him.
And then it's went down a bit.
What?
There's a tornado.
Rodeos. Yeah.
That's the big event every year.
Well, we went to a cattle auction. Somebody took us to a cattle auction
Squirrel.
out there.
Okay, now
One
it's,
every Friday.
At Burwell? No?
There's
It
a
was,
deer.
I don't know, we were staying with Carl, so I don't
I
know.
got a picture of
Broken
him.
Bow got an
Might
auction?
have been broken bow.
There, no, that's Mark.
Broken Bow's got a sale on it.
Those are all going out now
Oh.
because of simulcast.
Oh, on TV. I
This
watch
is in
them
a-
every once in a while.
In a duck
And then
blind.
the rodeo
Looks
we
like a
have
motel
here,
here
I've
in
gone to
Denver.
that here
Okay.
I heard broken.
in
That-
San Francisco, believe it or not.
Oh, I see now.
Cool.
Going.
They used to be a big deal because the guys had to go about
Them are
And
fish
get
we caught.
rodeos and win money to get to the
There's my boy.
NFL
Oh, uh-huh.
national
I
final.
come from Ord, which is about 15 miles from Burwell.
Which Carney?
Straight south.
That's 60 miles.
So we went like this, a Carney, west,
Okay.
Gottsburg.
Yeah, Gotham, that's where I live.
North Platte.
There we go.
What's in here?
North Platte's the home of Buffalo Bill. We
There's me.
claim
And
him.
that's my deer.
Cody, Wyoming claims him.
That's when you
There you go, see?
But he had a 4,000-acre ranch around North Platte.
Oh, really?
So then his wife wanted a divorce, and you learn that you go to prison. Buffalo
So
Bill.
if you guys can send me one, that'll be perfect because they're really awesome. And I might do a video with yours.
So she gave him the divorce, and then he stiffed her for $5,000.
Oh.
Oh yeah, give me a mask and walk the talk this too, if you can.
California Village,
It was named after their daughter.
go across the river and go before the.
So guys. Give me time. I have to figure out how to do this.
And then they took
Green
it
highway goes. 80 goes the other way, but.
They took it
Donnie?
back east.
But